In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent members from posting in a Telegram group quickly and easily using Telegram Desktop. This is a really useful setting if you want to turn your group into an announcement-only space, reduce spam, or make sure only admins can send messages. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and click on your target group. Make sure you choose the correct group, especially if you manage more than one. Once the group opens, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group name. This will open the group info panel, where you can see the group details and settings. From there, click Manage. This takes you into the group's administration options. Now select Permissions. This is the section where you control what members are allowed to do inside the group. Under the heading What can members of this group do, you'll see a list of actions members can perform. To stop them from posting, simply uncheck the Send Messages box. This means regular members will no longer be able to send messages in the group, while admins can still communicate if allowed. After that, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Members are now blocked from posting in your Telegram group. If you ever want to allow messages again, just go back into the same permissions menu and re-enable Send Messages. This is a quick and effective way to keep your group organized and under control. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.